Dear Sherry, I made some infused honey in the Ardent Nova, and I have some leftover cannabis that's still sticky with honey. Could you recommend a use for the leftovers, preferably something without white sugar in it? Thank you. Yes, I can. But before I get to that, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. So this is a really easy question. What can you do with the leftover cannabis that's sticky with honey after infusing? And what I would do is I would make some tea with it. Just put it into your cup along with your tea bag, or you could put it into a metal tea ball, and there will be a link below for where to buy those if you don't know what that is. But a lot of people already have them. And make tea with it. Of course, you're going to strain it out before you drink it, but it will simultaneously infuse your tea a little bit, because if you've infused, you've already gotten most of the trichomes off of the cannabis, but there's a little left. And it's also going to sweeten your tea at the same time with that lovely infused honey that you made. Preferably drink your tea with some milk or cream or something with a little bit of fat in it, as fat helps the cannabis metabolize better. But tea is a great thing to make with those honey infusion leftovers. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.